Hey guys, did you know that you can make your own essential oil rollers? Now, one thing I want to make sure you know is that you need to label them. I, in the past, have made so many different rollers that are just laying around because I never put the name on them because I thought I'll probably remember the name, but I never do. So make sure you label them. So this one is one of my pain rollers. I like to use it if I go running and I overdo it. I think I'm like some Olympian trainer or something and I go running as far as I can, as fast as I can, and then I come back with an injury. So I have made this because I do that randomly. So what this is deep blue and frankincense and copaiba, or copaiba, however you want to say it, and fractionated coconut oil. And I just made it into a roller bottle so I can just kind of roll it on wherever the injury is. And sometimes too, for women, it's amazing for muscle cramping or anything like that. So that's just my tip for today. This is a pain roller that I just made myself, and it's useful for so many different things. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.